Welcome to this video about OKRs for marketing. OKRs, or Objectives and Key Results, is a goal-setting framework that can be particularly valuable for marketing teams as it can help to improve performance, promote collaboration, and drive focused execution. An OKR objective which should be clear and concise on what you want to achieve. Objectives should be aligned to your overall business goals, and it should be challenging yet attainable. Key results are the specific metrics that will help you measure progress and success of the objective. Here are some examples of objectives and key results, OKRs, for a marketing team. Lead generation is the main responsibility for marketing organization. As you can see in this OKR, the objective is simple and clear, that can be easily understood by everyone. The success of the objective is measured by 3 specific measurable key results. This example is about improving brand awareness, which is one of the important functions of marketing. Again, the objective is simple and clear. The progress for the objective is measured using the 3 key results that are measurable and clearly provides information on the progress of the objective. Remember, these are just examples and should be tailored to the specific needs and goals of your marketing team and organization. By setting challenging yet attainable OKRs, tracking progress, and adjusting strategies as needed, your marketing team can achieve success and drive growth in your business. Thanks for watching this video.